ethnic Armenians, and that ethnic minorities are marginalized in historic education, unquote. The committee recommended to prevent ethnic hierarchization in teaching of history. Amid this background, on September 23, hundreds of Azerbaijani school children in the city of Sumgait were forced to chant, I quote, "Hate to the enemy, hate, hate," video of which was proudly posted all over the social media and on YouTube. You can find it yourself. On September 16, 2021, the Republic of Armenia instituted proceedings against Azerbaijan before ICJ concerning the application of convention requesting provisional measures. The court ruled that Azerbaijan must, and I quote again, take all necessary measures to prevent and punish acts of vandalism and desecration towards Armenian cultural heritage, including churches and other places of worship, monuments, landmarks, cemeteries, and artifacts. Azerbaijan should walk the talk. I thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. Time.
Towards Armenian cultural heritage, including churches and other places of worship, monuments, landmarks, cemeteries, and artifacts. Azerbaijan should walk the talk. I thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. Time.
Azerbaijan claims it sanctimoniously declared itself a country that adopted multiculturalism as a national policy. Meanwhile, it has been persecuting minorities for years. Colonial perceptions and past prejudices about Armenian minority made Azerbaijani authorities think that annihilation is a conventional way out of any disagreement. In the most appalling way, this thinking continues today. I will just make some exact quotations from several documents adopted by international bodies. In its recent concluding observation, Committee on Elimination of Racial Discrimination expressed concern about and I quote again, take all towards Armenian cultural heritage, including churches and other places of worship, monuments, landmarks, cemeteries, and artifacts. Azerbaijan should walk